In this video, we will show you how to install your new AgileLift roller shade. First, install each bracket with the provided screws. For inside mount, these brackets can be installed through the side or up through the top of your window frame. For outside mount, install the screws directly back into the window frame or wall. Make sure that all brackets are leveled and aligned. With the brackets installed, we will now mount the shade. One note before mounting: do not remove the lock pin until the shade is securely assembled onto the brackets. Moving the shade without the lock pin installed can cause the internal mechanism to unexpectedly unwind and potentially damage the shade. Install the shade following the included instructions that correspond with your selected top treatment. Remove the lock pin prior to operating by pulling it straight down. Your shade is now ready for use. If, for any reason, the shade needs to be removed, such as to make adjustments to the installation brackets, follow these steps. Raise the shade all the way up. Then, insert the lock pin back into the control head. Once the pin has been properly reinserted, you can safely remove the shade from the installation brackets. If for any reason the shade needs to be adjusted or removed from the cassette, follow these steps. Replace the lock pin in the shade. Remove the cassette end cap from the side with the lock pin to expose the internal bracket. Press the lock button in and remove the shade from the internal bracket.